Welcome to Rajneesh Pathak's new video. This is the 5th video of this course. This video is dedicated to link building techniques. There are 7 link building strategies I am going to explain in this video. Skyscraper Technique. Enhance existing popular content in your niche, then outreach to sites linking to similar content, suggesting they link to yours instead. Broken link building. Identify broken links on industry websites, provide replacement content, and offer your content as a solution to website owners. Resource page link building. Find niche resource pages and propose adding your content or website to their curated list of helpful resources. Guest blogging. Contribute quality guest posts to relevant industry blogs, including a link back to your website in the content or author bio. Competitor backlink analysis. Analyze competitor backlink profiles to discover linking sites. Then reach out to those sites with your content or website. Content syndication. Share your content on reputable platforms, allowing republishing, ensuring proper attribution with a link back to your original content. Testimonials and reviews. Provide testimonials or reviews for product services used, with a link back to your website. Directories and listings. Submit your website to relevant online directories and listings within your industry.